So can you introduce yourself? Tell me about who's Dave?
I'm Dave Barry, MVP for almost 5 years, hoping for that fifth one. Fingers crossed. I've been a developer since I was a kid, and I really like software. I really like making it work.
Very nice. What company do you work for these days?
I work for a company called Avtex. They're based out of Minneapolis.
What is their focus? Tell me a little bit about them.
They focus on solutions that are intended to make our clients' experiences better for the customers of those clients. And we approach it from a 360-degree view in trying to meet their entire customer experience needs, or at least identifying them and addressing them.
Very good. How many convergences have you attended?
This is my first convergence.
Oh, spectacular. What do you expect to find here?
I expect to find a lot of friends, a lot of family, a lot of wanting eyes.
Yes. Very good.
And some good experiences.
Very nice. So what is your favorite thing about CRM 2013? If you had to pick one.
If I had to pick a favorite thing, I would have to say the obvious interest of the product team to give customizers good tools to work with.
Very good. Very good. And let's switch gears a little bit and talk about the MVP program.
Okay.
What is your personal Dave Barry biggest benefit to being an MVP?
I think the best part about being an MVP is being sought, by the community, by other people who are looking for help. Not necessarily because I know the answer all the time, but it encourages me and it motivates me to find the answer. So in a lot of ways, it is an educational tool for me.
Fair enough. Do you mentor folks who come to you to ask you, how do I become an MVP? Do you see that happening?
I haven't actually been approached directly by anybody for that, but if anybody were looking to be an MVP, I would say get involved. Try to answer as many problems as you can, even if you don't know anything about the answer. For me, I kind of came up in tech support, so even if I didn't know the answer, it was my responsibility to find it. And I think if you make it your personal responsibility to find an answer, you'll not only be a very valued resource from a support standpoint, but a little more knowledgeable yourself, and that helps you in your day-to-day stuff.
So when you're not in front of your computer being Super Dave CRM MVP, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I play computer games, run around with the kids a lot, and I love my children, so that's always rewarding. But when I can get away from them, computer games.
Very good. Thank you very much for your time.
Cheers, thanks.